If you are looking for truly innovative venues and creative facilitation to organize your team retreats, planning retreats, or goal-setting retreats, then Sagg Eco Village is the place for you. You see, the natural and cultural setting at Sagg Eco Village has an automatic impact on the subconscious of the people, and then the out-of-the-box creative thinking comes naturally to them. So the impact of the team retreats, of the meetings and the events automatically improves. So the facilities at Sagg Eco Village include mud huts, the outdoor cultural activity spaces. The foods that we serve at Sagg Eco Village use natural ingredients and traditional recipes that are not only delicious but also healthy. If you are ready to take your team on an offbeat adventure and maximize the impact of your team retreats, then Sagg Eco Village is the place for you.